हे व्हाट्सअप, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर गेम प्ले वीडियो। जी हाँ, आज हम वापस से खेलने वाले हैं फीफा 21। आज के मैच में मैं कमेंट्री नहीं करने वाला। आज के मैच में सिर्फ अपन मैच एंजॉय करने वाले हैं। और आज का मैच होने वाला है मेसी वर्सेस रोनाल्डो के बीच में, पोर्टुगल वर्सेस अर्जेंटीना। तो मैं एज अ पोर्टुगल खेलूँगा, पर मैं ये मैच सिर्फ एंजॉयमेंट है, कौन जीतेगा मुझे भी नहीं पता। तो मैं सबसे पहले पोर्टुगल लगा देता हूँ इंटरनेशनल। ये आगे पोर्टुगल और यहाँ पे अर्जेंटीना, और ये रही अर्जेंटीना, अपने दोनों के होम की जर्सी। और मैं आपको अगर दिखाऊं तो यहाँ पे जो मेरा डिफिकल्टी लेवल है वो वर्ल्ड क्लास पे सेट है। तो देखते हैं ये मैच कौन जीतेगा। तो मैच को फटाफट से शुरू कर देता हूँ। तो इस मैच में मैं कुछ भी स्किप भी नहीं करूँगा, सारे रिप्लेस भी दिखाएंगे, एक पूरा प्रॉपर मैच होगा। तो फटाफट से शुरू करते हैं। अब मैं यहाँ से कुछ भी नहीं बोलूँगा।
I'm Derek Ray, joined in the commentary box by Lee Dixon, and without doubt a match with the potential to bring genuine excitement. It's Portugal versus Argentina.
Yeah, thanks Derek. Looking forward to a bright, lively start in this one. Quick tempo. Who can be the dominant force in the first 20 minutes? They could get the upper hand in this one.
Well, here is the lineup for the hosts today. If you like wingers, you'll love this, Lee.
Yeah, absolutely. I love to watch a winger play, especially with pace and power. The central striker will stay more or less in front of the goal. The support will be provided by the three central midfield players. The back four is pretty conventional, but the fullbacks will be asked to support from behind.
And this is the initial 11 for the visitors today. Well, there's no great mystery, is there? We know normally how they're going to play, and it's all about applying as much pressure as possible. Lee, can we anticipate seeing more of the same today?
Yeah, absolutely, Derek. If you're really good at something, then why not? They're very good at this. All the team members have bought into this style of play. One player slacks off and it all falls apart, though.
Guerrero. Here's Ronaldo. Not a particularly strong chance. Might be a chance here. Ronaldo! In it goes! That will do nicely for starters. First goal of the game.
Well, here's the replay, and it's a decent move to evade the defender, and he had choices of what type of finish to apply. And bang, he goes for the smash. Lovely goal.
The opening goal of the game then. De Paul is with Paredes. Messi. Montiel. On to Messi. Well, he's won the ball. Martinez cuts it back. Well, you've got to keep the ball a bit better than that. Bad pass. Might be able to get in behind the defence. Well, that wasn't a million miles away.
No, it was close. It was a decent effort. They'll keep plugging away, I'm sure.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Bruno Fernandes has it. Well, they couldn't keep possession. Otamendi. The referee correctly decided to play advantage. Lionel Messi. Firing it in. Well, the attack will peter out. Keeper's ball. And they've done it to square the game once again. Exhilarating.
Well, we're going to see the replay. The goalkeeper won't want to see this again. He gives the ball away. Still a bit to do, to be fair, but it's his fault.
Well, the goal again, albeit from a different angle. So, a level contest, 1-1. Looking confident with the ball at his feet. Possession one. Can they create something from here? Well, the referee wasn't going to let that go. Well, that could be his final rebuke, I think, and the referee's making that absolutely clear.
Well, I like that, Derek. Good refereeing. Nice and strong. Told the player exactly what he was thinking.
Such a waste of a free kick when you miss as wildly as that.
Well, there's groans from the fans as well. They didn't appreciate that long-range shot for sure.
Pepe. Well, they get the ball once more. He's in with a chance. And there it is! 2 goals in a matter of minutes. Incredible stuff.
Well, let's see that again. Once he gets into his stride, he just strolls past players. What a lovely solo. Wonderful effort this is.
Well, let's have another view of that goal. Well, 2-1 it is here. Ronaldo on the move. And will it be the leveller? Oh, there it is! A back-and-forth sort of match. Now they're level again. The lead lasted merely minutes.
Well, the lead barely lasted a few minutes and they're right back in it. Conceding a goal after you've just scored, almost criminal.
A chance to revisit the goal. Once again, the sides are level. This is a kaleidoscope of shifting emotions. Rodrigo Javier de Paul. Paredes. Montiel is with Paredes. Joao Felix. Not a very complicated catch for the keeper. Lo Celso. Di Maria. It looks promising. Di Maria. Tagliafico. And it's in! They're back in front! Stunning scenes here!
Well, they say there's no better time to score just before half-time. The team talk of both sides are going to be changing now. It's a good finish, Derek, and they deserve the lead.
Well, neutrals are getting their money's worth. 3-2 in this match. Promising sequence. Could play it in. Di Maria. Is it going to be? And another one! 2 quick goals! Will it turn out to be the two-punch knockout?
Well, what a time to score. The forwards are in absolute dreamland. The defenders slugging their way back to the half-time team talk. They're not going to enjoy this.
A chance then for the respective managers to address their charges. It is half-time here. Well, he's been a long way from his best up front, Lee.
Well, he needs something to change. His impact on the game has been negligible. His team down, need him to spark in.
तो अभी हाफ टाइम हो चुका है गेम का. फटाफट सब इसका सेकेंड हाफ भी खेलते हैं. भाई अर्जेंटीना खतरनाक खेल रही है यार. 4-2 हो गए गोल. देखते हैं. अब आगे खेल लेते हैं अपन गेम.
The two teams have switched around and are ready now for the second half. Well, that is how to play advantage. And they continue to advance, and a lot of options here. Could reduce the deficit, and he does! There is hope for them, despite the adversity they suffered earlier.
Well, here's the replay. It's a really dangerous ball into the penalty area, but you have to say he makes the most of the time and space afforded to him. It's a lovely finish.
Well, let's take another look at that goal, shall we? Well, if you enjoy high-scoring contests, this has been the game for you. Paredes, almost weighing up the opposition with a string of neat passes. Possession given away, unfortunately. Paredes. Now with Messi. Gonzalo Montiel, and providing width. The keeper was never likely to be in trouble then. Pepe. Pepe. Danilo Pereira. Half an hour remaining then. It might be perfectly set up for the counter-attack, you know. Well, he's lost the ball. Well, the attacking options appear plentiful. Tackling and winning the ball to boot. Gonzalo Montiel. Crossing possibilities. Well, that's how to beat your opponent. Lo Celso. Martinez! And a goal! They're going to take some stopping now. 2 in front here.
Well, Derek, as we see it again, it's a big mistake. You try to teach youngsters not to get caught in possession and be aware of what's around you. He has no clue, and he pays the price.
Not a scoreline we see all that often. 5-3. Danilo Pereira. Well, it's come down to the final 20 minutes here. And take it away.
The visitors have had total control of possession, really starting to dictate the tempo of this game now. And they're creating chances as well. I'm not sure their opponents seem to have the answer, to be honest. They can't seem to get a foothold in this game.
Danilo Pereira. Now potential danger. Just cutting off the supply. Martinez. Breaking at pace. Lo Celso. Not a particularly strong challenge. Oh, good work to deny the opportunity. Well, he's given a corner, the referee. They take it short. Will it be? Can he open them up here? Suffice it to say, his edge is blunt. Poor effort.
Well, he got a lot right there, but he got one thing wrong, and that was the finish.
Cristiano Ronaldo. And intercepting it. And the right place to cut out the pass. Excellent vision. Well, the chance looked to be on, but found himself offside. Paredes. What about the stoppage time situation? 2 minutes the word. Messi.
बहुत ही शानदार खेले अर्जेंटीना, पर रोनाल्डो ने भी अपनी हैट्रिक मारी। तीनों गोल पोर्टुगल से रोनाल्डो ही नहीं करे। बढ़िया मैच था, बाकी बढ़िया मैच था। कोई बात नहीं, अगले मैच में ज़रूर पोर्टुगल जीतेगी। रोनाल्डो फैंस सैड मत होना।